Have you guys been searching for a desktop gaming PC that can actually keep up with your gaming needs, without breaking the bank? I know I have, and I've been testing out the Skytech Gaming Rampage desktop PC to see if it delivers. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. First off, let's talk about the specs of this bad boy. We're talking an Intel Core Ultra 7 U7 265K processor, clocking in at 3.9 GHz with a 5.4 GHz turbo boost. That's some serious processing power, folks. And paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, I've been able to run all my favorite games at resolutions well over 4K without any issues. Games like Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Cyberpunk 2077, you name it, all ran smoothly without any drops or stutters. But what really makes this gaming PC shine is its graphics capabilities. We've got the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card with 8 GB of GDDR7 memory. This thing is a beast, and has made playing games in 4K at high settings a breeze. I've also been able to take advantage of some of the fancy features like ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics, which looks simply stunning. Now, I know a lot of gaming PCs come with a bunch of bloatware installed, but that's not the case here. The Skytech Gaming Rampage desktop PC is running a clean version of Windows 11, with no unwanted software or toolbars taking up valuable space. And if you're a streamer or content creator, you'll appreciate the Wi-Fi and high-spec AIO liquid cooler, which keeps this PC running cool even during the longest gaming sessions. One thing I've been really impressed with is how well this gaming PC handles multitasking. I've been able to run multiple resource-hungry applications at the same time, like a video editing software and a music streaming platform, without any issues. And with the 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, loading times are lightning fast. I can boot up my OS and have all my games loaded in no time. Pros and cons, I have to say I'm really loving this gaming PC so far. One of my favorite things is how quiet it is, even with the AIO cooler spinning away, it's hardly audible. On the flip side, the 850W power supply might be a bit overkill for most users, but I guess it's always better to have a bit of extra power to spare. And one minor quibble, the cable management could be done a bit better, but that's something you can always DIY yourself. Overall, I've gotta say, if you're in the market for a high-performance gaming PC that won't break the bank, the Skytech Gaming Rampage desktop PC is definitely worth considering. And at the current price point, I think it's an absolute steal. So take a look at the link in the description to check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.